Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse on YouTube again, and we've got this really nice piece of antique bone china to show you. Porcelain, hand decorated. Every single bit of this gilt work has been put on by brush, not transfer printed at all. Same with the maroony red block work. It's quite an imperial looking piece, isn't it? And again, all this detailing, if you look really close up, you see that it's all absolutely individual and hand decorated. Gorgeous piece of porcelain. A serving plate, sandwich plate or cake plate as they were later used for. Eared handles with, again, this beautiful decoration. I mean, whoever applied the decoration to this was a real master decorator and had the skill absolutely pinned. Plain round base plates, white porcelain. No maker's marks on any of these pieces. We've got a tea set in this particular pattern which is being listed. We've got trios that have gone up, some sugar bowls coming online, milk jugs, bits and bobs in this particular decoration, but the cake plates on their own as decorative flatware pieces on a dresser. There are two of these being listed, being sold separately, and if you click on the link below, it will take you through to the website listing for these with all the measurements, details and further information that you may be interested in finding out about on the link below. That will take you through to vintage and antiques. Thanks for watching.